Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you the 2 ways to add data in your Notion database. So let's get started. Notion is a powerful organization tool and will cover 2 ways to add data, as well as how to manipulate rows within your database. In adding data, there are 2 possible ways. The first way is by clicking on a row in your database and filling out the fields. You can add multiple rows by clicking New to keep adding information indefinitely. The second way is by hovering over the database, clicking New, and creating a page. You can enter information directly into the page, and it offers a more detailed view than the database. In manipulating rows, you can reorder rows by grabbing the 6 dots on the left and dragging the row to your desired position. To delete a row, click on the 6 dots and select Delete. Additional information about pages. Pages allow you to add extensive information, including scripts, paragraphs, and even additional databases. You can open the page directly from the database by clicking on the arrow icon. These techniques give you flexibility and efficiency in managing your Notion databases. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.